Hello, welcome to this mid-journey introduction tutorial. I'm going to show you what I do and how I use it, what I did, how I started, and everything. First, to find the mid-journey app on here, you have to go to the Discord website. Let's type in here discord.com. Okay, discord.com. Open Discord app, and here you're gonna register for an account. Just register for an account, and then you continue. Register everything, and after you register, you go to Mid Journey here. I think it's here. Let me see. Yeah, right here. Don't mind all these words. Don't mind them. You sign in here, and then you will authorize them to open your account. Okay, you sign in here, and when you sign in, you will land somewhere like here. Okay, when you sign in, you will come here and you will see here newbies, and you will join one of these rooms. You can click on it, and you click on it, you will land on a place like here. You will land somewhere like here. When you sign into this program, you will get amount of free images that you can create. Okay, amount of free images. When they are done, they will tell you to subscribe. And to create an image, you just go here, down here, you put a / imagine, and you will get this right here, and you click on it, and then you write your words in here. Let's say I want to write beautiful girl with afro hair. Let's say a cartoon. I want a cartoon illustration. Okay, that's all I want. Beautiful hair with beautiful girl with afro. Let me see, put a comma, cartoon illustration. Yeah. Okay, that's my prompt. I put it in. And now I will have to wait for it to work, to start. Okay, and like after my trial period is done, I will have to subscribe to the software, to the program. You see here, when I came here, I came into the, I don't know if I told you about it. I came into the room. You have to come into the room, and I came into this room, and I came here, and now I'm going to work in here. Oh, and you see, I can't find mine. I can't find. I will see it later when it starts, but I think I have to go straight down. Ah, come on, man. Like, to prevent all that, you can go here. You can use here. I think you can yeah, you can go through here. You click on here, and then you come in here, and when you work in here with the mid journey bot, I think, let me see, when you are in the room, you can do, let me see, add mid journey bot. You can message the bot. Okay, you can message the bot. I think, yeah, let me see, enter the mid journey bot and start working. Okay, I do it from here, direct messages. I come in here, and I start putting my prompts in here. Okay, but let's go back and find the one we were doing. Oh, I'm still looking for it. Let's find it. I want to find it. Actually, after you put your work in, you will have to wait for it to start. But even my work, I can't find. You see how frustrating this thing is when you're working in these rooms. Let me see if I can find it through here. We had women with afro hair. I don't know if I'm ever going to find it. I do not know if I'm ever going to find it. Yeah. To prevent all that headache, you work in the mid journey bot here, right here. And then you go in and put the forward slash again. Imagine, I don't want you. Imagine, um, I think we had afro girl with afro hair, something like this. Girl with afro hair, beautiful girl. Let's say beautiful girl, beautiful girl with afro hair. I forgot everything I said. Okay, and then we will click on this and we wait for it to start. Now we're waiting for this one to go in. We're waiting for it to start. Okay, you see, she's coming in. She came in like beautiful girl with afro hair. We got her. Okay. To upscale her, like to get them out of this square, you will click on these and they will come loose. You see that? Sorry. They will come loose. They will come loose, all of them. And to make variation, you will click. For instance, if I want a variation of her, I will click on V1. If I want a variation of her on V2, a variation of her V3, variation of her on V4. Okay, when your subscription is when your free trial is done, okay, you have to subscribe. You just click on forward slash subscribe, and then you see here you click on subscription, subscribe, enter, and then you open the subscription page. And then you come to the subscription here, you go down and you see the different plans. On the $10 plans, you will have you can work in it everything like 200 images per month. Yeah. On the standard plan, you will bill $30 per month, but you will have unlimited generation of images and you have the pro plan and everything. And when you create with a bot, the bot here, you won't be distracted by other people's work, okay? But when you go to the gallery, the Midjourney gallery, the app, when you go to community feed, your image might show up in here, okay? If you want your images to be hidden, you want to hide your image, you have to pay a additional $20 on top of your subscription plan. Then it will come like $50 a month. So that's it. So you can create in here with DM the bot. You can create here. You won't see people, so people won't see how you're creating. Actually, people won't know that you exist. But here, yeah, you see, like I told you, I took these girls out of the square by these these buttons here. Okay, if you want to make variations of them, for instance, variations of, let's say I want to make variations of her, I will go to V2 and then the prompt will open again. I will say beautiful from here, let's say, and say and flowers. I just put something with it and flowers and submit. And you see the one here. No, I'm not here. Yeah, the one here. This is my server, like the the one where everybody sees everything, and this is the mid journey bot right here together. So you see the one here, that means I have a work to start. Okay, okay, let me see if it came in already. I'm still waiting for it to start. Okay, here we are. Because I add flowers, you get these flowers out of her. uh got flowers all over her. I didn't tell the bot where to put the flowers. So I got flowers over. And I do the same thing if I want to take them out of each other. I'll go here, go here. Okay. So you have to subscribe to get the unlimited generation of images. So this is how it works. So just a little bit. So I wanted to show you guys how it works, and subscribe to the channel, and more is to come. I will put more videos out about Midjourney. I like this software, and it's good for artists. Thank you for watching.